Health insurance is vital in India, given the rising healthcare costs and the importance of securing one's financial well-being in case of medical emergencies. Here are some crucial FAQs about health insurance in India. Why do I need health insurance? Health insurance provides financial protection during medical emergencies, covering hospitalization, surgery, and other medical expenses. It ensures you receive quality healthcare without depleting your savings. What does health insurance cover? Health insurance typically covers hospitalization expenses, doctor's fees, pre- and post-hospitalization costs, medicines, diagnostic tests, and sometimes even outpatient expenses. Coverage varies depending on the policy. How do I choose the right health insurance plan? Assess your needs, including family size, age, and existing health conditions. Compare policies based on coverage, premiums, network hospitals, and claim settlement ratio. Consider add-on riders for specific needs. What is a premium? Premium is the amount you pay to the insurance company for coverage. It can be paid annually, semi-annually, or monthly, depending on the policy terms. What is a waiting period? Health insurance policies often have waiting periods for pre-existing conditions, maternity benefits, and specific illnesses. Understand these waiting periods before purchasing a policy. What is a claim settlement ratio? Claim settlement ratio indicates the insurer's reliability in settling claims. Higher ratios suggest a better track record of processing and paying claims. What are network hospitals? Insurers have tie-ups with certain hospitals called network hospitals. Treatment at these hospitals is cashless, meaning you don't need to pay upfront for covered expenses. Can I port my health insurance policy? Yes, you can switch to a different insurer without losing your accrued benefits, such as waiting periods. Ensure you follow the porting process correctly. How can I make a health insurance claim? Notify your insurer within the specified time frame, submit all required documents, and follow the claim process outlined in your policy. Claims can be cashless or reimbursement-based. What is the tax benefit of health insurance? Premiums paid for health insurance policies qualify for tax deductions under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act, providing a financial incentive to invest in health coverage. How can I file a claim? To file a health insurance claim, you need to inform your insurer about the hospitalization and treatment, submit the necessary documents, and follow the insurer's claim process. Can I include my family members in my policy? Family floater policies allow you to cover your spouse, children, and dependent parents under a single policy, offering a cost-effective solution for family health coverage. Is there a grace period for premium payments? Health insurance policies usually offer a grace period for premium payment, which allows policyholders to renew their policies without a break in coverage. How do I choose the right health insurance plan? Consider factors such as your age, medical history, family size, and budget. Compare policies from different insurers, check network hospitals, and understand the policy's terms and conditions before selecting one. How does the premium amount for health insurance get determined? Premiums are determined based on factors such as the insured person's age, medical history, coverage amount, and the chosen policy features. Riskier individuals may have higher premiums. Are there different types of health insurance policies? Yes, health insurance policies in India vary. They include individual policies, family floater policies, senior citizen policies, and group policies provided by employers. Each type caters to specific needs. What is a cashless hospitalization facility? Many insurers offer cashless hospitalization, where the insured can avail treatment at network hospitals without paying upfront. The insurer settles the bills directly with the hospital. How do I make a claim? To make a claim, inform your insurer within the stipulated time frame, submit the required documents, and follow the claim process specified in your policy. It's crucial to adhere to deadlines and guidelines. What are pre-existing conditions, and how do they impact coverage? Pre-existing conditions are health issues that exist before purchasing a policy. These conditions may have a waiting period before coverage begins, and some policies may exclude them altogether. Health insurance in India is a crucial aspect of financial planning, offering peace of mind and security for you and your family in times of medical need. Understanding these FAQs will help you make an informed decision when selecting a health insurance plan.